welcome back to another vlog. Today, I don't know what we're gonna be doing today, but I just decided to pick up the camera and vlog because I look cute and I wanted to show you guys my little outfit, how I dressed this little cardigan up. I just have on a black v-neck kind of shirt with some jeans. I need to take that to my sister. But yeah, look at my makeup. It came out so good. I used the stuff that I got in my BoxyCharm box. Hold on, let me show you guys. Okay, I used the stuff that I got in my box and I wanted to tell you guys about it because, hello, first impressions are everything, right? But yeah, I used this Olive I Love You Forever. I love that. I love you forever. That's so cute. I just realized that. But yeah, I used Juicy, the shade Juicy, and I used, is it Charmed, the brown one right here at the top. I used both of those for my eyes. And then I did for the eyeliner, I used that little liquid one. I loved it. It was great. It didn't stream like most of them do. But yeah, I used that. And then for the lipstick, I put on, it was one of these ones that I got from Didi's that I told you guys about. It was called, hold on, let me tell you guys the exact name, even though I don't know if you can find this single, but I'll just tell you just for fun. It's called Divine Wine. And I just thought it was cute with this sweater and it just matched really good. And yeah, we're about to go have lunch with Babe, so I guess I'll see you guys. I'll try to vlog a little bit in the car. I'm not gonna forget my camera. If I do, then I'll vlog on my phone. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a second.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately you got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities, lately you got the best of me, yeah. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. And I. Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah.
Baskets, I originally was using them for like my bread and stuff, but I decided I'm gonna put them in my fridge because they're small. I got these at Big Lots. I have 3 of them. I might take some out of my cabinet. Sorry if you hear the crying in the background. Keep like little stuff the kids can snack on, like some vegetables and whatnot, whatever else I have. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Here's what I have so far. I threw away so many condiments. Like, we had so many. I didn't even realize we had that many. Like, that's too many for my liking. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where to put this orange juice. I put the basket right there. And it's coming out pretty good. I love when the refrigerator is clean. It just brings me so much joy. I'm gonna do this too. I'm gonna try to do this today because the freezer doesn't take me long. But yeah, it's a mess in there, so yeah.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. But now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, no words, no more, no. No words, no more, no. No words, no more, no. No words, no more. Just be. Don't take it. Take it. Just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you